I'm Olivia Mok. This is the 5th apartment I've lived in Shanghai and the one I like the most. The windows bring in plenty of sunshine. It's so tranquil inside a typical lane. Over 3 years of living here, I've filled in every nook and cranny with furniture, pieces, plants, and soft decor. I approach decorating in a very informal way. One will get a hint of my affinity to nature and preference for comfort once walking in. I love color, flowers, and fauna. I wanted the living and dining room to be bright with pops of color. The hallway gets the least amount of light, so the JD Cardinelli wallpaper helped make it more playful. For my bedroom, I keep it simple. It's simplistic, roomy, and just needed a cozy carpet underfoot. Small objects dear to me also find their homes here. I live in a place where I love, feel cozy, and can't wait to get back to.